The most recent image from the James Webb Telescope is generating a great deal of curiosity and even fear. What is happening in the enigmatic disk that surrounds the neighboring star Fomalhaut? More questions than answers are raised by a concerning new image that shows undefinable thickenings inside the disk. One of the most studied and nearest stars to Earth, Fomalhaut, is turning out to be very different from what was previously believed. Astronomers are forced to reconsider their understanding of star and planet formation, as well as cosmic development in light of these findings, which cast doubt on long-held views. The public and scientists are once again in awe of the James Webb Space Telescope's JWST magnificence. Curiosity surged as the enigmatic image of the brilliant star Fomalhaut was shown. Fomalhaut, sometimes known as the Lone Star of the South, is a cosmic neighbor that is only 25 light-years from Earth. The puzzle is only made more complex by the star's close vicinity, though, since recent JWST photographs show surprising features within its debris disk. These include surprising density variations, inexplicable light patterns, and odd black areas that cast doubt on the most widely held beliefs about this system. Astronomers have long been interested in the debris disk surrounding Fomalhaut. At first, it was believed to be the result of either the aftermath of massive collisions between celestial bodies or the formation of nascent planets. The JWST's new image, however, has offered a completely different viewpoint and prompted inquiries about dynamics that were previously unknown or misinterpreted. Is there evidence of an invisible planet etching its way through the layer of cosmic dust on this disk? Or did these structures form as a result of a huge collision millions of years ago? The way the light reflects and refracts inside the disk is among the most puzzling features of the discovery. Current physical models do not align with the patterns, suggesting inexplicable processes and dynamics. The basic ideas of cosmic development, from the genesis of stars to the beginnings of planetary systems, have been the subject of renewed discussions as a result. Are the distinctive characteristics of Fomalhaut an indication of something wholly unheard of in the universe, or could they offer a window into an alternative course of planetary development? The mysterious image has been appropriately dubbed dusty debris by NASA, but the meaning extends well beyond dust clouds. Fomalhaut is not your typical celebrity. It is one of the 4 royal stars in ancient Persian astronomy and a guiding light in Islamic and indigenous folklore. It is located in the constellation Pisces Austrinus and has a rich cultural heritage. With a mass almost twice that of the Sun and a brightness 16 times higher, the brilliant bluish-white star is comparatively young at 440 million years. The debris disk that surrounds the star has been dubbed Fomalhaut's belt by scientists, who believe it could be a planet-forming area. Because it presents a rare chance to investigate how planets develop around young stars, this belt is extremely interesting. Fomalhaut's environment, in contrast to more established systems like our Sun, is constantly changing, offering important insights into the circumstances that give rise to planet formation. Astronomers asserted in 2008 that they had found the possible exoplanet Fomalhaut B orbiting inside this disk. It was hailed as a revolutionary discovery at the time. However, later observations raised doubts about its existence because the purported planet seemed to shift or disappear over time. What was originally believed to be a planet may really be the result of a collision between 2 massive objects, producing a temporary dust cloud rather than a solid planetary mass, according to more recent research. Researchers may now investigate this conundrum in greater detail thanks to the JWST's state-of-the-art infrared spectrometers. An unprecedented amount of information on Fomalhaut's disk has been made possible by the telescope's capacity to see through thick dust clouds and identify thermal emissions. Important details regarding the size, shape, and composition of the dust particles, as well as the gases around them, are revealed by the analysis of each light frequency. The secrets of how planets form in such conditions may be revealed by this data. The identification of ring-shaped structures and holes within the debris disk is among the most intriguing findings from these observations. These characteristics are frequently thought to be the gravitational indicators of invisible planets. Two particular condensations have drawn the interest of scientists and have been tentatively dubbed F2300c and F2550w. If verified, these clusters would provide proof of young, developing planets, which would be an incredible discovery. Since astronomers rarely see planet births, this system could provide a wealth of knowledge on the evolution of planets. Furthermore, Fomalhaut's special system provides a natural laboratory for researching the evolution of star systems. To learn more about the early history of our planetary neighbors, scientists want to compare it to our own solar system. The same type of dust and gas disks that encircle Fomalhaut now are what gave rise to the planets of the Sun. The principles that shaped our own Earth may be revealed by observing analogous activities in a nearby star system. The historical and cultural significance of Fomalhaut adds to the interest. Known as the mouth of the fish, it has been valued for thousands of years by various cultures. Indigenous Australian cultures viewed it as a hearth or light messenger, while the ancient Persians saw it as one of the four royal stars, guardians of the heavens. The enthusiasm around these fresh discoveries is greatly increased by the fact that Fomalhaut has always captivated people. Scientists are left with more questions than answers as they continue to examine the JWST data. Do the structures found in Fomalhaut's disk represent a huge collision, an invisible planet, or a brand new phenomenon? Might the disk's condensations be the first exoplanets ever discovered, providing insight into the earliest phases of planetary formation? Or is this a completely different cosmic process that calls into question how we think about star systems? Our perception of the universe may change as a result of the answers to these questions. One thing is known for the time being: Fomalhaut is still a star full of mystery and promise. In addition to providing insight into this intriguing system, the JWST's discoveries are expanding our understanding of the cosmos. Click subscribe right now to be informed about every new cosmic discovery